Hey, what's up? I'm Benedict Maitland. I'm 16 years old. I'm from Hawkinson, Washington, and I want to talk to you about a passion of mine. So, I've always wanted to be an actor, but I never knew how to get started. Until last year, I had auditioned for the musical that my high school had going on, and after my parents had went to see that, they saw that I actually had some talent and that I could kind of act and sing and whatnot. So they got me this early birthday present of acting classes from Seattle Talent during our Hawkinson Boosters auction. So after this, I did some of the classes that they had offered, and I showed potential. And they offered me an audition to get onto a team for IMTA New York, 2022. And after I had auditioned, I got a call back saying, "Hey, you want to be on the team?" I said, "Absolutely." And I ended up going up to New York and competing, and I won first place junior male actor. Whoa. And then after that, I got recognized by my agent and manager now, which is Tanya Kleckner at HRI and Frederick Levy at Management 101. And I'm having a blast and trying to live my best life. So, do whatever you can to make your dreams come true and take chances and risk because it's worth taking in the end.